Hello everyone, this is Jennifer and I am back with this month's Spellbinders card kit of the month, and it is called Oh What Fun. It's for October 2022, and as per usual it comes with all of these things. 10 cards in envelopes, and I'll show you some of them. There's a ton of unboxing on, well, not there's a ton, but there's several people. There are several people that do unboxings of the Spellbinders kits, including, of course, Spellbinders. So, and also they have a picture of everything that is in the kit in their website, spellbinders.paperarts.com. So, but anyway, these are what came in the kit. And I'll show you what I used in these 10 cards that I made. This is from Ali. It's just the hill border die that has stitching. And then this one too is from Ali. It's like a fish tank if you look at it this way. And then this is from Love from Lizzie. I always forget what they're called. I'll just say sticker sheets, strips. Oh, sorry for all the glare. And then this one, it came with the kit, in the kit. And I used that, and also these. These are chipboard frames that you can use as shaker cards. And then these are the chipboard stickers that I, as you can see, I used a lot of them. Their chipboards are not as thick as the thickers. So yeah, so they're not so heavy to mail. If you're thinking about mailing your cards. And this is the puffy stickers, and I used some of the stuff that are in here. And then these are the papers, and they are not cardstock. They're just, you know, like copy paper, maybe heavier than copy paper. And these are the several different patterns that were in there, And then these are the 8.5 by 11 that came in the kit. And like I said, there are a bunch of people that show this. I love how bright this red is. And there's another one underneath, pink. Okay. And then, did I show the die already? It makes the Santa and the Christmas tree and several things. So it makes these. All right. And then, of course, my trusty crystal drops, Nuvo crystal drops. This is the one that's called Crystal Drops. It's probably the first thing that they developed. And this dries clear. It's like glossy accents, but what I've noticed about this Nuvo is that it dries longer. It takes longer to dry it compared to the glossy accents. But what I love about this is it has never clogged up on me to the point that, you know, with my glossy accents, I can't use it now because it always clogs. The tip always clogs, and you always have to put a needle. But this one doesn't. So I don't know what they made different in their formulation. And then, of course, oh, I don't think I used Stardust, but I'll show it anyway because I have it in my hand. But this is what I used for my cards today, the frosted lace. And there's a difference. So this one, the glitter is iridescent. See that? There's like different colors in the glitter that's in the Stardust. But this one, the glitter that's in it is just white, and it's gorgeous, and it's good to use on snow there. And you'll see. I'll point it out to you later. Oh, and this one too, it's a rediscovered treasure from my from my stash, and I'll show you how I used it. It's the jelly roll that isn't white. It's called Clear Star, and it's clear glitter. And then, of course, this one, my trusty Stampin' Up! Punch that punches out a fishtail. Okay, let's start. So this is the first one that I'm showing you. It's actually the first card that I made. So it uses, you know, just the pattern papers from the card kit. This is the frame. This is ephemera, one of the frames. I'm sorry, this is one of the frames. This is ephemera that I popped up on dimensional from, I use this It's from Dollar Tree, and they come in 3 packs. And these are just sequin for. Did I show the sequin? Yes, I did. These are from the kit, and this is a chipboard from the card kit. So that's the first card, and then this is the next one. Again, papers. That's also a paper from the collection's not cardstock. I just used it to add a layer to separate this from that, because without this it was just too chaotic to look at. And then this is chipboard. These are ephemera, and as you can see, oh gosh, it won't focus, the frosted lace dries differently. It's just pure white compared to the stardust. When it dries, it's iridescent. I'm sorry, it's really early. I haven't had my coffee, but I have to do now because I have things to do later today. So if you notice that my brain is kind of that I'm blanking, it's my brain. It doesn't have its fuel yet, which is coffee. But anyway, I know a lot of you can relate to that, so I won't explain myself further. Okay, and then this is that die that I showed you. I just wanted to make a hill. And then these are just ephemera that I popped up, and also this girl hugging the Christmas tree. And this is where I used the Nuvo drop. See how it clears and it's dimensional. It's like it dries clear and it's dimensional, just like glossy accents. But there it is. And then here's a fun one. Those people that love gingerbread stuff, this is for you. So this is the die that I used that looked like a fish tank, but inverted. And I just glossy accented all of these buttons on the gingerbread guys, gingerbread men. They look like kids here. They don't look like gingerbread men. This is chipboard. These two are chipboard. These are ephemera. This is ephemera, sequin. And it's just, you know, when I saw this paper, it's a no-brainer. I had to use all the chipboard elements and all the ephemera that are gingerbread men. Oh, and this is a strip, ephemera strip. This candy cane pattern down here. This is a download from Etsy that I had bought and printed and cut into strips like this. And I just have it in my sentiment box to use when I need it. And then here's the next one. So just pattern paper layering. This is ephemera. This is ephemera. The ephemera. This is the only chipboard that I used in this card. And then of course glossy accents again. And this is where I used. God, I hope I can show that. Do you see all the shine there? And the strips. In this, can you see the shine? And in the bow there. Why is it not focusing? But anyway, oh, in the door too, do you see that? That's this that I recently discovered in my, and it's been sitting here where I put all my pens and my glitter pens. I just have not thought of reaching and using it. And again, it's the jelly roll, and it's so cool because it's very, very minute, very, very thin line. So it's right there too. I put that on I put it on the white parts of this candy cane. But anyway, there's that card. And then here's the next one, chipboard, and everything else is ephemera that you see here. And of course a glossy, you still automatically say glossy accent because they're the pioneers for a dimensional dry clear glue that becomes dimensional when it dries. So it's still the Nuvo crystal drops. Everything here, all the berries, and all here too. See that? And then that's frosted lace. See what I mean about it drying not iridescent? It's just so gorgeous. There. Okay, and then I'm a cat person, and that's why he takes center stage here. Mine though is white and brown, and his name is Scotty. And if you're watching this on TV, and I know Alma, just like me, you love watching things projected, YouTube videos projected on TV, you probably sometimes see his fur right here because his fur is just everywhere. Cat people would know that. This is chipboard, and everything else is ephemera. And there's that die again that looks like a fishbowl. And this is just pattern paper from the collection. But I think it's cute. I popped them up. Everything is flat on the page except the cat. And it looks like he's hanging something, or it might be the other way around. He's pulling something from the Christmas tree. And then this is the next one. It's just, they're all cute. These are all ephemera. Everything you see here is ephemera. This is a chipboard. This is that dimensional puffy sticker. And because they were drowning in the page, you know, they were last night when I was making it, but now filming it, they stand out. But when you look at it in person, because they're white and this is very, very light blue, they don't look like they're popping, or you don't even notice them. So what I decided to do was put frosted lace on top. You know, I rubbed it on here, and then some of it also fell through if you see that. It's a cool effect because, you know, snowflakes sparkle. If you look at them under the microscope. Not that I've done that, but that's just what I'm imagining. So it's not showing there. Can you see the frosted lace underneath? So, and of course I glossy accented. Oh my God, I said it again. I nouveau dropped the shoes, Santa shoes right there, and all of their eyes. So now they all look like they have beady eyes. Ooh, scary. Anyway, this is the surprise that because I've only probably done 2 easel cards in my lifetime as a paper crafter. And now it's 12 years of being a paper crafter. I've only done 2, and I know because I've only done 2 and I remember. So now I can say I've done 3. So I'm going to show you them. So this is how it looks like when it's flat and when you receive it. So it's really fun. This is one of the dimensional frames that you get. This is an ephemera pack that I put double-sided tape on. And then these are just ephemera. Put him up there. And then when you open it up, you can display it as an easel card. And it's going to be tough to show it here, but that's how it's going to look like on your desk. Isn't it that fun? Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh. I really, really need coffee. I can't speak. I can't think. But I think it's fun because just imagine this card on your desk, and then this one is like peeking up there, and they're just so naughty, these gingerbread kids. So I hope you like that, because I really, really do. And then here's the other one. So pattern paper, ephemera. No. He's a chipboard sticker. This is also a chipboard sticker, and of course I put this is the stardust. That's where I used the stardust. So as you can see, it is very iridescent. It is nice for things that you want to sparkle. Stardust stickles is. And then I put the Nouveau crystal drop on all these circles right here, just to add interest to it, and also here. And then I, what do you call that one? It's the, one moment please, it's this one, Wink of Stella. It's the Wink of, I wasn't showing it, Wink of Stella, and it's the clear one. I used that on the leaves, on the holly leaves. And it, of course, stands like that. Right? Isn't that cool? And then this one is the last one. This is my favorite of all that I've made. So this is dimensional sticker. Dimensional puffy stickers. These are chipboard. These are chipboard as well. There's the Stardust again. Frosted lace stickles. Also there where there's snow. So that's how it looks like. And it's again an easel card. So it will look like that. It's so nice. It's so cute. Well, anyway, that's it. I hope you like my cards, and thank you for watching. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Oh my God. The last time, like 2 weeks ago, I think I only had 300. Now I'm at 343. So thank you to all those who are deciding to subscribe. Not that I'm trying to get to a number so that I can earn from YouTube. I really can't do so many. As you can see, it's been 2 weeks since my last video. But I really appreciate you deciding to click that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. It means you like what I'm doing and you're looking forward to seeing more. And and if you're a recent subscriber, I hope you've perused through my channel, because I've done several projects in here. And to my old subscribers that have not unclicked the subscribe button, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for staying with me. This is something that I do and I love, and I'm happy when I do it, and that's what I'm doing, is sharing to you what makes you happy, in the hope that you are also, you know, deriving happiness from just watching my videos, because that's what I feel whenever I watch my favorite people on YouTube. Speaking of my favorite people, I'm doing this, and I'm hashtagging this as the satmornmakes with Jill Norwood. If you don't know Jill Norwood, I don't know where you've been all your life. Everybody knows her in the paper crafting world, and at least the people that I know her. So she's a rock star on YouTube, and she has this hashtag called satmornmakes, and I'm doing this in participation of that video. I would also like to say hi to my good friends on YouTube, Helen of Crafty Mama Diaries, Alma of Sintang Mayumi. She has a new video. Check out her channel. I'll link them all down below. Also Jill's channel. And then also Cheryl of My Saturday Creations. She is Cheryl Sabado. They all have Instagram, and they are rock stars too. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. I'm off to my day, but I'll have coffee first, or else I can't function. Thank you guys. Bye.